Tags are a way to mark specific points in the history of your project's repository, like the release of a new version of the project. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create, list, and delete tags. Okay, as you see here in the Flutter repository, we have 464 tags. And if I click here, you can see them all. So tags are very useful, especially if you have a versioning system like the Flutter repository. And to create a tag, simply type git tag, then type the tag name, version 1.0 for example, then specify the commit you want to tag, git lol. So let's tag change 1, git tag version 1.0 change 1. Okay, now git lol, we have tagged change 1. Git lol is an alias for the git log command, by the way. And to see the tags you have created, type git tag. Then you can check out the tag to see the files in that specific commit, like git checkout version 1.0. Then let's get back to where we were. So git switch dash, and to see the changes, type git dash dash no pager to force git to not use a pager to show the changes. Then show version 1.0. Now let's create another tag, but this time another kind of tag, an annotated tag. Actually, we have two types of tags, lightweight and annotated. The one we created before is a lightweight tag. It's a bookmark to a commit, but sometimes we need more than a bookmark. And that's why we have annotated tags. And to create an annotated tag, let's first create a new terminal window. And type git tag -a to create an annotated tag, -m for the message. So this is a tag message. Then the name of the tag, so version 1.1, and the commit you want to tag, so change number 3, and git lol. Okay, here is our tag, and let's check the tag list again. So git dash dash no pager tag, and let's use the show command to see the changes. So git dash dash no pager show version 1.1, and now you can see the difference between a lightweight tag and an annotated tag. An annotated tag contains more information about the tag, like the author of the tag, the date, and the message. Now, what if we want to delete a tag? Easy, just type git tag -d and the name of the tag you want to delete. So version 1.1 for example, and git dash dash no pager tag. See, it's gone. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.